Funny Danny here. Let's go ahead and paint that bottle in and give it its shadow, okay? I'll meet you over at the easel. And here we go. Okay, let's paint our bottle and its shadow, okay? Coming right on down with this little feller. When you take him, we'll just drop him off right there. There's the shadow. Now we'll put a little bit of dark just kind of down this edge here, like that. It's a little dark on the edge, and that's just going to diffuse out. And that's exactly what we want it to do, okay? Just some variation in the shadow. It'll do just fine, okay? Now, we're going to paint the main show here, okay? We're going to come in nice and dark. Nice and dark, just like this. And if there's some variation, that's okay. Not going to hurt anything. Not going to hurt anything. There we go. There we go. Now we're going a little dark up here at the top, because you know that's where the lid is. There we are. Now we got a little dark in here because of the bottle over there. Okay. And we can put some dark here like that and some there. There we go. There we go. Just like that. Okay. Be with me tomorrow, and we'll kind of take a look at what we did, and we will just do a little bit of a review. Okay? It's been a fun process. I hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you tomorrow. In the meantime, be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, let us know how we're doing. Those are important. And remember, above all else, that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you. And there we go. Tomorrow, we'll just kind of review what we've done and get ready to move on to our next series. And in the meantime, remember that Ann and I love you. We love you. We love you. We love you.